Hey guys, Brian, Victory 4x4. Today I want to talk to you guys about aluminum and steel and which one you should pick for your application. First thing I want to talk to you guys about is the construction differences between steel and aluminum. In an aluminum bumper, which I have here, we're going to use a 1-inch shackle as opposed to a 3/4 inch shackle. And the reason we're doing that is because we want to keep this shackle from bending. From there, we make this whole entire bumper out of 1/4 inch aluminum all the way through, where our steel bumper is made usually with a combination of 7 gauge and 11 gauge to save a little bit of weight. But that doesn't mean that either one of them are incapable of being used for recovery or for winching. They're both equal. They both will hold a winch. They both will hold up to recoveries. So from there, it's just determining how are you going to use your truck. Aluminum is a resilient and stiff product, but the problem is it doesn't hold up to denting. So if you're going to be using this thing in the rocks and you hit this thing hard enough, you're going to dent the aluminum, where steel will actually bounce back and hold its shape a lot longer. The other thing is that aluminum, you'll notice, is a little bit more expensive. And by a little bit, I mean a lot of bit. It is a lot of bit more expensive for us to produce an aluminum product, so therefore that cost is passed on to you. This is a 5th gen 4Runner Blitz bumper. This guy comes in about $300 more in aluminum than it does in steel. So we're not talking small change here, guys. We're talking a good investment to put an aluminum product on. However, one thing you're going to notice, this bumper weighs 28 pounds, where its steel counterpart weighs 65 pounds. So in this hybrid application where you're kind of using a factory integrated application where you're still leaving parts of your factory bumper, you're probably not going to be too hard on your truck. So it's always going to be a good option to go with aluminum there when you can, because you're actually going to be saving weight. Now when you get into the full replacement bumpers, you're going to be in a different area now. You're going to have to decide, what am I using this truck for? Am I going to be bashing it in the rocks? Am I going to be running it in tight trails? Am I going to be hard on this product? Or am I doing more of the overlanding side, 2-tracking side? At that point, the product in aluminum will hold up just fine. The big benefit that you're going to gain is the weight savings. In a full bumper application, if you can save 50 pounds, that's 50 pounds in payload that you can carry in fuel, water, or other gear that you may need on your adventure. So there, if you have the money, aluminum's a great option, although you have to be realistic with what you're going to do, because this will not hold up the same as a steel product. But if you have any questions, you can feel free to get a hold of us. info@victory4x4.com, or give us a call, 269-353-1184. As always, we'd love to get you set up with a bumper, whether it be steel or whether it's aluminum. Hope to see you guys on the trail.